Guardian Connect is an online community for your support and education made by caregivers for caregivers. Guardian Connect was built in part because of the projected rise in surrogate decision-making that's coming. We wanted to provide resources for the people who are surrogate decision makers now and for the people who have it on their horizon.
My husband has Alzheimer's disease, and so I've had to become his POA. I think it will be great for others to be able to share knowledge they have or ask questions.
This Guardian Connect, it gives us the village that we need to be able to do our jobs, to take care of our loved ones, to really just be on top of things.
We all need to be in a group together, sharing ideas instead of each of us feeling like we're all by ourselves doing this.
It's just going to be an awesome platform to build up and to make better together. And I'm really excited to see everyone on it.
If you want to be part of a revolutionary change for guardians and conservators and other caregivers in Nebraska, join us at guardianconnectnow.com. You didn't know you were missing this.